In this video, I'm reviewing 5 of the best CRM for small businesses. Running a business can be chaotic and expensive. You need an affordable and reliable small business CRM software to keep everything organized and running smoothly. I've personally tested these tools, and I'll break down their key features, pros, cons, and pricing so you can see which one fits your business best. Timestamps and the links to sign up for the free plan or free trial of each software are in the description. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials on CRM software for small businesses and marketing automation tools. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share my personal recommendation on the CRM I believe gives the most value for small businesses. Let's dive in. Number 1. HubSpot CRM. HubSpot CRM is often considered one of the best CRMs for small businesses because it balances simplicity with powerful features. It's designed to make customer relationship management straightforward, even for beginners who have never used a CRM before. The free plan is a big reason HubSpot stands out. Unlike many CRMs that limit you right away, HubSpot's free version gives you access to contact management, deal tracking, email scheduling, live chat, meeting scheduling, and even some marketing tools. This means you can start managing leads, tracking conversations, and organizing sales without paying anything upfront. The interface is also very beginner-friendly. Contacts, emails, deals, and tasks are all in one dashboard, so you don't have to jump between multiple tools. On top of that, HubSpot integrates seamlessly with apps like Gmail, Outlook, and other business tools you might already be using, which helps streamline your workflow. Pros: free forever plan with robust features. Easy to use dashboard suitable for beginners. All customer interactions and sales activities in one place. Strong integrations with popular tools. Scales with your business as you grow. Cons: advanced automation and reporting are locked behind higher pricing tiers. Can feel overwhelming if you only need a simple CRM. HubSpot offers a free plan at $0 that includes essential CRM tools. Paid plans start with the starter plan at $20 per month per seat. Number 2. EngageBay CRM. EngageBay is one of the most affordable all-in-one solutions for small businesses that need both a CRM system and marketing tools in one platform. It combines contact management, email marketing, sales automation, customer support, and even landing pages, all in a single dashboard. What makes EngageBay stand out is its balance between functionality and cost. While many CRMs focus only on managing contacts and deals, EngageBay gives you marketing automation, a built-in help desk, and appointment scheduling at a fraction of the cost of bigger platforms. This CRM software offers an easy way to keep everything connected, from capturing leads on your website to nurturing them through email campaigns, and finally closing deals with sales pipelines. Pros: affordable pricing compared to most CRMs. All-in-one platform with marketing, sales, and support. Email marketing and automation included. Intuitive dashboard that's beginner-friendly. Great customer support. Cons: limited third-party integrations compared to HubSpot. Free plan has restrictions on features and contacts. EngageBay offers a free plan at $0, which includes up to 250 contacts and basic CRM features. Paid plans start with the basic plan at $12.74 per user per month. Number 3. GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is more than just a CRM for small businesses. It's a complete all-in-one marketing automation platform designed to replace multiple tools. It includes CRM, email and SMS marketing, sales funnels, websites, automation workflows, reputation management, and even a built-in phone system. GoHighLevel is most popular among agencies catering to the needs of local businesses, but it's a powerful software that is directly accessible to small business owners. Instead of paying for separate tools like MailChimp, Calendly, ClickFunnels, and HubSpot, GoHighLevel combines everything under one roof. Small business owners benefit from features like AI agents, automated text/email follow-ups, appointment scheduling, and pipeline tracking. It's especially powerful if you want to grow your business without recruiting more staff and automate client communications without missing a lead. Pros: AI agents for client acquisition and retention. Replaces multiple marketing and sales tools in one platform. Powerful automation with email, SMS, and voicemail drops. AI-powered funnel and website builder. Built-in appointment scheduler and reputation management. Cons: has a steeper learning curve than simpler CRMs. No forever free plan, only a 30-day free trial. GoHighLevel offers a 30-day free trial, and the paid plan for small business owners costs $97 a month. It includes CRM, funnels, reputation management, automation, AI agents, and 3 sub-accounts. Number 4. Capsule CRM. Capsule CRM is one of the simplest and most user-friendly CRM systems for small businesses. Unlike heavy platforms that come with dozens of tools you may never use, Capsule focuses on clean design, easy navigation, and straightforward contact management. It lets you store all your customer details in one place, track conversations, and manage your sales pipeline without feeling overwhelmed. Capsule also integrates with popular apps like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, MailChimp, and Xero, making it a great fit if you're already using those tools. For small business owners who value simplicity and want something they can set up quickly without much technical knowledge, Capsule CRM delivers exactly that. Pros: very clean and easy to use interface, strong integrations with email, calendars, and accounting tools. Great for sales, pipeline tracking, mobile app for managing contacts on the go. Affordable pricing for small teams. Cons: limited advanced automation compared to bigger CRMs. Reporting features are not as detailed as competitors. Capsule CRM offers a free plan with up to 250 contacts and 50 MB storage. Paid plans begin with the starter plan at $18 per user per month. Number 5. Keap. Keap CRM is designed for small businesses that want more than just contact management. It combines CRM, sales, and marketing automation in one platform. It's especially popular among service-based businesses, coaches, and solopreneurs who need a tool that can help them capture leads, send follow-up emails, and close deals without juggling multiple apps. One of Keap's strongest points is its automation. You can set up workflows that automatically send emails, assign tasks, or move leads through your pipeline based on triggers. It also comes with built-in invoicing and payment tools, which is a big plus for small businesses that want to manage everything in one place. While Keap is more advanced than Capsule in terms of automation, it does have a learning curve. But once you set it up, it can save you hours of manual work each week. Pros: powerful automation for sales and marketing. Built-in invoicing and payment processing. Easy integration with landing pages and web forms. Strong contact management with tags and segmentation. Great customer support and onboarding help. Cons: higher pricing compared to other small business CRMs. Can feel complex for beginners at first. Keap offers a 14-day free trial, and the Pro plan starts at $249 per month. That's a wrap. But since you stuck with me until the end, I wanted to follow through on my promise to give you a personal recommendation. If you're looking for the best value overall, I'd go with EngageBay. It's affordable, feature-rich, and offers small businesses access to CRM, marketing, and automation without breaking the bank. That combination of price and functionality is hard to beat. Of course, the right choice depends on your business needs, but if you want something that balances ease of use, cost, and features, EngageBay is my top pick. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next review on marketing and CRM tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.